Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show the schedule function on the IHT SmartBulb. You find the schedule button under More on the bottom right of the home screen of the AnyHome app. The schedule function allows you to create programs for when you want to turn on or off the SmartBulb. To begin, press Add. For this demonstration, I'm going to create a program that will turn the light bulb on every night at 6 p.m. You first need to set the time for when you want the smart bulb to turn on or off. To do this, use the scroll wheel. Next, under Repeat, choose the days you want the program to run on. Under Note, you can name the program. Toggle notification on or off to enable phone notification when the program is executed. And then finally, the switch button allows you to choose the setting of if you want to turn on or off the light bulb. Once done, press Save on the top right hand corner. The program will now be listed on the schedule page. You can toggle on and off if you want the program to run or not. If you want to add another program, press Add Schedule on the bottom of the page.